So we can see here we have the generalized parabola ax squared plus bx plus c. So here's a picture of it. So we can see what the a, b, and c values do to the graph. Now the a value we kind of know is as it gets bigger, it's going to be stretch it kind of becomes narrower and narrower, but it's actually getting taller and taller. And as I change it here, it's going to get fat, like shorter and shorter. It's hard to see, but it's actually what's happening is it's vertically compressing the graph. And as we go from negative to positive, right, now we flip the parabola around. Okay, so it affects the direction of opening as well. So that's my positive A's, my negative A's, okay. My C values, all it does is shift vertically. Okay, it's my y-intercept, so it doesn't actually change the shape of the graph. It just changes the vertical position of the graph. Okay, now what does the B value do? Okay, so as I change the B, I can affect, well, and notice that as I change A, we can change, the zeros sometimes here. Like, let's see here, so I can change the effects are discriminant, that, b squared minus 4ac. As A changes, we can make the discriminant negative. We can make it equal to 0. We can make it positive. Okay, and same with the C. We can make the C, change the C value so that discriminant is negative. We get no roots, 0 roots, 2 roots. Now we can do the same with the B as well, right? So the B value also changes the discriminant. So if I change the B value, notice what happens. I can change it so that it has 2 roots, 1 root, and 0 roots. But what's curious about the B, notice how the C just moves it vertically like that. And the A value, if you just track the vertex, as long as this vertex is positive, it doesn't really, it changes the vertex a little bit. But the B value, watch how the vertex moves with the B value. So see if you can see what kind of shape that the vertex is tracing out. And I'm seeing a parabola. So as we change B, right, we can change the number of roots, but also as we change B, it affects the vertex positioning in a parabolic way. Okay, now that's not something we really need to know, but it's kind of a curious thing. Well, why does changing B move the vertex in this parabolic shape? That's very curious.